वज़ीर-ए-आज़म इमरान खान की खुसूसी मशीर और साबिक सेक्रेटरी खारजा तहमीना जंजुआ ने जनीवा में अक़वाम मुत्तहिदा के इजलास से खिताब करते हुए इंसानी हुकूक के कमीशन और तंजीमों से मुतालिबा किया कि मकबूजा वादी में भारत को इंसानी हुकूक की खिलाफ वर्जियों से रोके।
मकबूजा कश्मीर में 8 मिलियन अफराद गुज़श्ता 51 रोज से बदतरीन लॉकडाउन का शिकार हैं। मकबूजा कश्मीर के शहरियों के उन्हीं की सरजमीन पर हुकूक सल्ब कर लिए गए हैं। उन्होंने मजीद क्या कहा, देखिए।
Pakistan reiterates its deep concern on the upsurge of racism, xenophobia and Islamophobia. In many parts of the world, we are witnessing discriminatory practices and increasingly xenophobic and racist behavior. This is linked to the disturbing spread of political parties which are driven by ideologies of exclusion and hate. These parties demonize minority communities within their countries. Migrants are especially targeted. Ideologies of exclusion and outright hate are being mainstreamed. This disturbing phenomenon is becoming entrenched in India, where a political party is in power that openly subscribes to an ideology that privileges one community over others, whether Christians, Muslims or Dalits. The leadership of the party was denied entry into many states till this party assumed political power. Then, unfortunately, principles were conveniently sacrificed at the altar of expediency. In Indian-occupied Jammu and Kashmir, more than 8 million people are undergoing the 51st day of curfew and lockdown. Their legal rights to their own land have been violently usurped. Kashmir remains caged, waiting for human rights defenders, in particular the Human Rights Commissioner and the Human Rights Council, to stop India and its occupying forces from brutalization and dehumanization of Kashmiris. Will India be stopped, or would this remain another tragic part of history where neo-fascism was allowed to run berserk? The fact is that, at a fundamental level, violence in IOJK is ensuing from the hate-filled Hindutva ideology that is driven by the ruling party, the BJP, and an ideology that finds open expression in the party manifesto and party literature. Mr. President, these are deeply worrying trends. These must be resisted.